What's wrong with you?
Alright, hello. Welcome to another one. I tried to film a video yesterday, but it didn't work out. I think I might have figured out with the noise, I think I figured out the mic settings for this wireless mic. It has two modes. It has noise canceling, and then it has it with it off. And me, being the retard that I am, I'm thinking, oh shit, it sounds good on noise canceling. Let me see how it sounds without it on. It probably sounds a lot better. You can probably hear the bike. No, it makes the video literally unfucking usable. So, fingers crossed that with noise canceling on, we should be good. I went back. It's gonna sound stupid as shit because it's like I don't know my own tech, which I kind of don't. I saw it, I was like, ooh, my mic is a button. It's basically, I'm speaking about it, you even know what the fuck I'm talking about. This is the mic that I use. This is called the Hollyland Lark M2. I got it solely just because of how small it was. I was like, dude, I can stuff this somewhere inside of my helmet and it won't fuck with my head. The Amazon ad says that 115 is the cap of the decibels, which this bike, I think with the exhaust on, it definitely doesn't touch that. It'll touch like 90 at the most with the wind and everything. So it should definitely sound solid. So I'm gonna try to make this like not too long, maybe like 10 minutes, because it's not gonna be crazy or anything. I'm clearly just stuck in traffic, and that's all it's gonna be. Dude, it is hot, bro. Oh my god. Like, I'm all for one for being safe, you know, making sure that I wear my gear, always looking out for traffic, especially now. But bro, 90 degrees is fucking crazy. Like, this shit is really kind of like don't even want to wear gear, but I can't do that. Times that I wear gear is that I don't wear gear is very, very rare. I made a promise to myself, and I made a promise to someone else that I would wear my gear, and it's why I do it. Just because, like, look, I know this route, but still, you never know what could happen. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, let me go. Oh, shit. Bro, I saw that dude move 1 inch. My PTSD fucking kicked in. Alright, nice little highway run. Crack it open a little bit, you know, get some air in that bitch. And I'm definitely gonna need to get as much air as I can now, because when I get to my real section, bro, it's gonna be nothing but stop and go. Like, it's just gonna suck. Sometimes I wonder if taking off the chest piece would help. But then my entire front is exposed. Ah shit, I forgot. Highway, alright, cut it. Oh my god, the wind is crazy, bro. Holy shit. God, I love this curve, man. I hate when there's cars though, because I can't take that shit full speed. Alright, low key, might be time to ride with the visor open, unfortunately. Oh my god, was that a fucking Viper? Holy fuck. Bro, that wasn't just any Viper, that was oh my god! Holy fuck! You guys have no idea what the fuck I just saw. I don't think the camera caught that shit up. That was the old school Viper. I've never seen that shit in person. Holy fuck. That guy's a grandpa. 100% that guy's a grandpa. No way anybody else would have that car. I was gonna say traffic isn't too bad, but this isn't the section where traffic gets gnarly. Hopefully that wind isn't too bad. I mean, I have the visor cracked open a tiny bit because 90 fucking degrees. I need some type of AC. Alright, this is the game plan. This BMW in front of us is gonna go forward. Hopefully creating a big enough distance. Actually, it won't even matter. I was gonna say hopefully the BMW creates a distance to where I can hop in front of the Odyssey, but that's not gonna be the case. He's turning right, so I will be able to just go straight around him. Watch this shit. Here we go. Easy peasy. Now we ride this for like half a fucking mile and then we get caught right back up with traffic. Dude, the thing that pisses me off about this ride, these motherfuckers for some reason think that it's a school zone at all times. I don't know if the sign I don't know if the camera picked up the sign. I don't know if I'm gonna zoom into it, but there's a sign that says school zone 25 miles an hour only when flashing. And everyone for some fucking reason thinks the speed limit now is all of a sudden 20 fucking 5. Good thing I looked, because I was about to make that lane change. Yup, there you go, thank you. What the fuck? The Falcons bus. Not that I give a shit. Falcons are trash, but cool. It's not something you see every day. Dude, I was talking about this yesterday. I find it so funny how Georgia as a state, bro, they don't give a fuck about the NFL. It's so funny to me. Because from where I'm from, Eagles, bro, we don't give a fuck about UPenn, Penn State, none of that shit. It's all about the Eagles. Great, just a bunch of fucking cars ruining my turn. Not that I should be attempting to knee drag in the streets anyways, but I like taking my corners back. There's no reason to brake. What are you guys doing? Actually, that's a lie. That's a lie. It is a blind corner. Bro, just this little section is glorious, bro. Just all the trees, God, bro. I love this. Like, it genuinely, it's because I didn't grow up seeing a lot of trees. I think that's what it is. Because it feels so stupid to just say, wow, dude, this is beautiful, just riding through a road with some trees on the side, but it's not something I get to see a lot. You know, something that's been helping me a lot is the fact that these guys are doing road construction, because you'll see in just a second. Now, what I'm doing is probably highly illegal, but I don't know, is there? What I'll do, if it's really backed up, I'll get into the roadwork side and I'll cruise it until I see something. Did I just knock over that cone? I didn't. Okay. Just gotta go slow. I probably shouldn't be doing this. But, I mean, I'm only going like 15 miles an hour. I'm not going fast. I'm being careful. It's an open lane. They're not doing actual construction. I'm fine. I'm not overthinking. I'm fine. It's 90 fucking degrees. Pretty sure they'll understand. Quick dodge. Yeah, I'm good. See, now I have to get to the left. Now that they're doing actual construction, I have to move. And I will. See? Get a bike, bro. Okay, the fact that I'm gonna be sitting in the fucking sun though, I am not okay with that. Get me in the shade. Thank you. Alright, low-key, that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else that's gonna happen. It's just gonna be nothing but dead stop traffic. I will catch you guys in the next one. Adios, this was kind of fun. Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir.